Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about car misfiring and the common causes of misfiring. Okay, number one, your spark plugs. When your spark plugs are very bad, your car will misfire. This is definitely, it will misfire, okay, especially when they are leaking currents. Okay, so you're supposed to be changing your spark plugs mainly every 30 to 40,000 kilometers. Secondly, ignition coil. A bad ignition coil can cause misfiring on your car too, because they usually leak currents when they are very bad. Okay, especially when your car do overheating. Okay, when your car do overheating, you check very well, then the ignition coil might end up leaking current. Number three, a bad nozzle, which is injector. Okay, every nozzle usually sprays very fast. Okay, but when your nozzle is not spraying fast, it means the car will do overheating. It will surely do overheating. So for you to tackle that problem, you need to replace your injector to a new one. Number four, a bad piston can also cause misfiring. Ask me why or how. Okay, when you're having a bad piston, maybe your piston is broken, either number four, number three, number two, or number one. When your piston is broken, it causes an escape of engine oil. Okay, and when engine oil is escaping, it usually goes to the plug. Okay, so plug and engine oil, they settle. So when oil touch your plug, definitely the car must misfire. Number five, which is the last one, when you're having a bad valve, okay, especially when your valve is leaking, okay, which must surely cause misfiring. For you to tackle that problem, you need to ground your cylinder and change your valve, depending on which one has fault, either one, two, three, or four. Or you have to change your valve or you ground your cylinder. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.